What is going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here. We're talking sales today, and specifically we're talking about the best times to send sales emails. Now, that's kind of been an elusive question. A lot of email service providers don't want to commit to the very best times. We sent 1,200 emails from 80 different salespeople, B2B and consumer oriented, and this is what we figured out. For our best open rates, we would send Monday between 1 and 4. Now, it was the lowest open rates of all the days that we tested, but the best results were between 1 and 4 on Mondays. All right, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Not between 11 and 3. 11 a.m. as a send time and 3 p.m. as a send time. Two specific little holes of time. And then Friday, not the best day, but any time between 10 and 1 seemed to work the best. So the worst day to send was Monday. Second worst day to send was Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, of the 1,200 we sent, 80 different salespeople, 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. For me, friends, it's all about being strategic in the sales and marketing business. So what is your sales strategy? From an email perspective, this is foundational to almost everything that we're doing going forward. Hey, love to speak to your sales team, speak at your sales conference. Reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. And don't forget, head over to Amazon and buy that new book of mine, Selling Forward. We're still writing checks. All proceeds going to the Golden Harvest Food Bank. Never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy. It's a great job that'll feed your family for a lifetime. All right. See you next week.